Hey, what's up everybody? So today is day 4 of our splits challenge. Those of you who are joining, welcome to day 4. Let's do this thing. We got pretty far yesterday and I am looking forward to seeing how far we can get today. And for those of you just watching, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's go. Stretched. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the splits. I'm hopeful. Let's do this. Hey. Well, left is not bad. It's not horrible. Definitely not horrible. It's definitely not as bad as it was day 2. Day 2 was really bad. All right, let's stretch the right. Also, I was thinking last night, so like, I'm extra sore. All stretched on the right side. So let's get to the splits. Okay, that side wasn't horrible. It wasn't bad today. I mean, it's been worse, as y'all have seen, so. Middle. Let's stretch the middle. Let's go. Every single one of my muscles is screaming at me right now. I am so sore all over. That's okay though. Swept my floor before doing any of this, and my pants are disgustingly dirty. Definitely feeling more tense in here today, so that's pleasant. Okay, this is the way I'm going for my straddle today, so we've stretched the middle. I have definitely noticed that I am sore, more sore today. And I'm also tired, so that doesn't help anything. I stayed up pretty late, but that's okay. So I definitely noticed that fatigue is affecting the results. Still getting pretty far, but I'm definitely noticing that fatigue is an issue today. No worries though, we push past it. And I am going to, again, try without my bed today, because I've been, like the first 2 days, I was using my bed to help assist me to sit up because I couldn't stay in it. And no matter how hard I tried, like I would just fall out of it immediately. And I mean, that's what I get for not practicing my splits for, I mean, guys, it's been over 10 years, you know, like it's been a decade since I've done splits. That being said, so I was using my bed originally to help sit me up. I wasn't like sitting on my bed or anything, but I was like using it to help prop me up a little bit because I literally couldn't stay in it. But then yesterday I was able to stay in it by myself. So that's what I'm gonna try to do again today. I'm gonna try to stay in it by myself and then I'll go from there. So, all right, let's do this. Okay, fatigue is becoming a bigger issue than I thought it was. So far, I have tried twice, 2 attempts to get into my middle splits, and my body is not having it, guys. It's not doing it. I am trying so hard, and it's not happening. So I'm gonna do it again. I think I'm gonna have to use my bed just to prop me up because otherwise I'm gonna keep falling out of it. Because my whole body is literally just screaming to even try to stay awake at this point. So yeah, we're gonna have to use that. So here we go. So that definitely wasn't as bad. It wasn't great today. I feel like yesterday I definitely got a lot further. However, my left side, okay, she kind of pulling through. My left side's not bad. Like it's getting better, you know? It's still bad, but it's getting better. So that's cool. Like I'm looking forward to it. As far as my right side, there's some progress there. There's progress, definite progress. Granted, I'm not as far as I want to be, but I can see the progress, so that's cool. And then my middle, I'm noticing with my middle that that one is getting there. Today wasn't happening as much. That's okay though. It's a work in progress. We got 100 days, right? 100 days, and hopefully we'll get it. So for those of you who are doing this challenge with me, keep up the good work. I bet you're doing awesome, and tell me all about it in the comments. I want to hear everything. I want to hear all about your experience doing this challenge with me. If you are doing this challenge with me, if you're not doing this challenge with me, if you just want to make fun of me, go for it. Yeah, tell me all about it. I'm excited to hear everybody's experience with this. I'm also excited to get to know your experiences with dance. If you guys have ever been a dancer, if you guys are in dance currently, if you guys are choreographers or whatever. Let me know. Tell me all about it. I read all the comments and I do try to reply back to every single one of them. So yeah, leave a comment. Let me know. And if you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.